Transform ordinary sea salt into a powerful, magical tool with 4 sacred herbs that will infuse every meal with protection and abundance. Hello, my darlings, and welcome to a series that I call Bed, Bath, and Broomsticks, where I craft magical recipes for your bath and home. In this video, I'm sharing how to make a powerful kitchen witch herbal salt that will infuse your cooking with intention, protection, and abundance. This versatile blend combines the magical properties of 4 sacred herbs with the purifying energy of salt. Let's do some magical crafting. Creating your own magical ingredients from simple, natural elements connects us to generations of kitchen witches who understood the power within common herbs and salt. Today, I'm crafting an herbal salt that will become a staple in my kitchen witchery practice. This blend can be used to season meals with intention, cast circles of protection around your cooking space, or simply add a touch of magic to everyday dishes. I've created a Book of Shadows page for this recipe that explains the magical correspondences of each herb and provides complete instructions. If you'd like to download a printable PDF of this grimoire page, you can visit my shop or Magical Crafting on Patreon at the link below the video. I'm working with 5 simple but powerful ingredients today. I have fresh rosemary that I've just harvested from my garden. And from the grocery store, I have basil, garden sage, and thyme, along with coarse sea salt and pink Himalayan salt for the base. I started this magical craft by preheating my oven to its lowest warm setting, around 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Then I arrange my fresh herbs on a metal cooling rack. If you're using already dried herbs from your spice rack, you can skip this step. As I arrange the herbs, let me share the magical correspondences of each ingredient. Basil has been revered for centuries as a powerful protector of the home and family. It brings prosperity to your kitchen, attracts abundance, and infuses meals with loving energy. When you cook with basil, you're inviting harmony into family gatherings and strengthening the bonds between those who share your table. Garden sage is one of the most sacred herbs in witchcraft, known for its ability to cleanse negative energy and bring wisdom to any situation. Garden sage connects us to the practical magic of the kitchen while still offering powerful purification properties. It helps clear away old patterns and invites fresh perspectives into your cooking and your life. Rosemary is often called the herb of remembrance, helping us honor traditions while creating new memories around the dinner table. Its protective qualities have made it a favorite for blessing homes, and its association with love makes every meal prepared with rosemary an act of care for those you feed. This evergreen herb also stimulates mental clarity and helps us cook with greater intention. Thyme carries the energy of courage and strength, encouraging us to be bold in our culinary choices and trust our instincts in the kitchen. It's also associated with psychic abilities and intuition, making it perfect for those moments when you're cooking by feel rather than following a recipe. Ancient Greeks believed thyme brought bravery to warriors, and now it can bring that same confidence to your cooking. As I place the herbs in a warm oven for about an hour, I focus on gratitude for these plants that will lend their energy to my magical work. The gentle heat will preserve the magical properties while removing moisture. Once my herbs are properly dried and cooled, I carefully remove any tough stems from the thyme and the rosemary, keeping only the fragrant leaves. Each herb goes into my mortar, the stone vessel that's been used for centuries to blend magical ingredients. I begin grinding with my pestle, working in a clockwise direction to draw positive energy into the blend. The rhythmic motion is meditative, allowing me to focus my intentions as the herbs transform into a fragrant powder. I can smell the magic being released with each turn of the pestle. And of course, we can't forget to discuss the magical properties of the salt itself. Salt is protecting and cleansing. It offers purity and strength, helping you release what no longer serves you and welcoming clarity and calm. Its crystalline nature is grounding, and salt is also a preservative and protects your energy and connects you to the enduring stability of the earth. For my blend, I'm using coarse sea salt. It represents the vast purifying power of the ocean, carrying with it the memory of ancient tides and the ability to cleanse both physical and energetic impurities. I'm also adding some pink Himalayan salt to my mixture. This is optional. You can just use sea salt if you don't have other kinds. Pink Himalayan salt connects us to the earth's ancient wisdom and carries grounding energy. Together, these salts create a powerful foundation that not only preserve our herb blend, but amplifies the magical properties of every ingredient. As the herbs become finely ground and I add the coarse sea salt and continue grinding, I watch the mixture take on a beautiful green hue. The salt helps further break down the herbs while adding its own purifying energy to the blend. The finished herbal salt has a lovely color and an incredible fragrance that speaks to its magical potency. This basic recipe is wonderfully adaptable. You might consider adding garlic powder for protection and health, or onion powder for stability and grounding. I encourage you to experiment with your favorite herbs, or choose ones that align with the magical properties you most desire in your cooking. I'm storing my herbal salt in a reused plastic jar, but this recipe makes enough to portion into several small glass jars, making it perfect for holiday gifts. You could share this seasoning and its magical intentions with your loved ones. Use this herbal salt to season soups, vegetables, meats, or even sprinkle it around your kitchen to create a protective barrier while you cook. Each pinch carries the intention and energy that you've woven into its creation. May your kitchen be blessed with the wisdom of herbs. May your meals nourish body and spirit, and may you find magic in every dish you create.